Hello, look at that. Yeah, in average, Anaheim pepper takes 2 weeks to become red, especially when they get sun and the area is dry. This is serrano, that's jalapeno. Look how beautiful they are. I cannot wait. The smell, the fragrance of sweetness, and even the poblano. I never see poblano become red. I'm so surprised. Poblano usually become black when they dry, but they actually become red. So amazing. Very sweet smell of red chili, and they're 10 times more expensive than the green one. So I can't wait to process them into a beautiful sauce or whatever. Okay, watch my video about how to make this hanging chili, or called ristra. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.